Welcome back to another life-changing discussion on this channel. Let me ask you something personal. How many times in life have you been stuck between what your heart wants and what your brain says? Maybe your heart says, go for it, follow your dream. But your brain whispers, be careful, it's risky. What if you fail? Or your heart says, I love this person. But your brain says, they're not right for you. This battle between heart and brain is as old as humanity. And most of us, we live caught between them, not knowing which one to trust. Today we're going deep into this topic, because understanding this battle could change the way you make decisions forever. Chapter 1. The Heart. The voice of emotion. Your heart is like a passionate friend who believes in magic, love, and possibilities. It's the part of you that feels before it thinks. When your heart speaks, it speaks in emotions, excitement, hope, love, courage, and sometimes even fear or sadness. The heart doesn't care about statistics or logic. It cares about what makes you feel alive. Example: Sarah always dreamed of starting her own bakery. Her heart painted pictures of warm bread in the morning, the smell of fresh pastries, happy customers smiling. It didn't think about rent costs or marketing. It only saw the joy. That's the beauty of the heart. It makes life worth living. It pushes you to take chances you'd never take if you only listened to logic. But here's the challenge. The heart can also be impulsive. It might make you leap before you look. It can get carried away by dreams without seeing the obstacles. Chapter 2. The Brain. The voice of logic. Your brain is like a careful, analytical friend. It's the part of you that thinks before it feels. The brain works with facts, patterns, and calculations. It looks for risks, costs, and the safest path forward. When your brain speaks, it often sounds cautious. Is this safe? Will this work? What if something goes wrong? Example: when Sarah's brain looked at her bakery dream, it calculated rent, staff salaries, ingredient costs, and market competition. It saw risks. It saw the possibility of debt. It didn't smell fresh bread. It smelled financial danger. That's the strength of the brain. It protects you from harm, keeps you grounded, and forces you to prepare. But here's the challenge. The brain can also overthink. It might stop you from taking any action at all. It can make you live safe but small. Chapter 3. Why they fight. The heart and brain often fight because they speak different languages. The heart speaks the language of passion and possibility. The brain speaks the language of logic and protection. One says jump, the other says wait. The problem is not that one is right and the other is wrong. The problem is that they're both half of the truth. If you follow only your heart, you might run into painful mistakes. If you follow only your brain, you might miss beautiful opportunities. Life's best decisions come when these two voices work together. Chapter 4. Real-life examples of heart versus brain. Example 1. Love. Your heart might say, they're the one. Your brain might say, but you've only known them for 2 weeks. The heart sees connection. The brain sees red flags. Example 2. Career change. Your heart says, quit your job and follow your passion. Your brain says, but you have bills and responsibilities. The heart sees freedom. The brain sees financial collapse. Example 3. Learning English. Your heart says, join that speaking club, you'll meet amazing people. Your brain says you might embarrass yourself. The heart sees opportunity. The brain sees social risk. Chapter 5. The science behind it. Your heart feelings actually come from your limbic system in the brain, the emotional center that reacts fast to situations. Your brain logic comes from the prefrontal cortex, the part that plans, analyzes, and controls impulses. Both are vital for survival. Emotion pushes you to act quickly. Logic helps you make safe, calculated decisions. Carol Dweck's mindset research even shows that people who combine emotional drive with logical planning often achieve the most. Chapter 6. When to listen to the heart. Listen to your heart when. The decision is about what truly makes you happy. You're stuck in overthinking and need courage to act. You feel a deep, consistent pull toward something, not just a passing mood. In Sarah's bakery story, her heart kept pushing her for years. That's not impulsive. That's purpose speaking. Chapter 7. When to listen to the brain. Listen to your brain when. The decision involves irreversible risks, like huge financial debt. Emotions are high, anger, fear, heartbreak. Because strong emotions can cloud judgment, you're missing important facts or data. Sarah's brain made her create a business plan, research competitors, and save enough money before quitting her job. Chapter 8. The secret is not choosing one. Here's the truth. You don't have to choose between heart and brain. You have to let them meet. Think of it like this. The heart decides what you want. The brain decides how to get it. The heart says, I want to travel the world. The brain says, okay, let's save money, plan routes, and book safe places to stay. The heart is the dreamer. The brain is the builder. Without the dreamer, life is empty. Without the builder, dreams collapse. Chapter 9. A simple method to combine both. 1. Feel first. Listen to your heart. Ask, what excites me? What scares me in a good way? 2. Think second. Ask your brain, what's the safest and smartest way to make this happen? 3. Act third. Take a step that honors both, passion with preparation. Example. Sarah didn't quit her job overnight. She started baking on weekends, selling at local markets, building customers slowly. When the bakery finally opened, her heart was happy and her brain was calm. Chapter 10. Your action step. Today, right now, think of one decision you've been avoiding because your heart and brain are fighting. Write down 2 lists, heart reasons for doing it, brain reasons for not doing it. Then find one middle step that respects both. If your heart says, move to another city, but your brain says, what about money? Try visiting for a month first before making it permanent. Final message. Your heart makes life beautiful. Your brain makes life safe. When they work together, you become unstoppable. So the next time you face a decision, don't silence one voice. Let your heart dream. Let your brain plan. And then, take that step. Because a dream without action is just a wish, and action without a dream is just movement. But a dream with a plan? That's the start of a life worth living. If you liked this deep dive into the heart and brain battle, make sure to subscribe. Because on this channel, we don't just teach you English. We teach you how to think, grow, and live with purpose.